nyera kutwara mu kishogu nyewe nka minisita w'Obwegyese ha Rwampara district ukwata academic team eyitu Mbarara district ebigezo byitu by'abana be Chamuka baheze gukora
amukoro go kushoze birujurumbe buze bya prepare yogu Captain JB bamuterachi ashabire bakuru b'amashomero okora kasona kahango kwanka bonzera mishomo twero kubigurira nyinje z'emigisha yo kutunga emirimo hamwe no kutungura ebashomere
ninterera umuranga abashomesa abandi ntibagumene bashoma batakakoma hibari ncyakare nyenda kubareba bari mu office ikuru bakompiting n'aba ministry education gwomusinge gwentunguka omakagitu no munsi yitu Uganda
abeji rukumira change 50 okorwa mashomera 5 ga government hamwe n'abantu bunto muri Kashari South Mbarara district nibo bakozere buzebi kandi abeji bana bakozere ubonero buna
2023 twatwina abana 15 n'abashoro konkatwe twina abana 15 dena amashomero twatwina amashomero 5 na 2 hatuwe twina amashomero 5 na 5
nyenda kusima organizers b'Ageihangwe mwamukasigire na team yawe for setting a standard paper yo kushangana n'aba city ngenda ngo borrowing relief.
Captain JB urkushajike buzebi nashobora okwebuzebi birukutebekana sabeji okubuza bwebuzo ebyamuheru.
You should lead by example. Nani Mbarara muri umukotizanyu de Robert aturo mutayi na sande na wamchanga na azimkatare ayumkuti
Makaragandi bakuru b'amashomero muri Uganda hamwe na kazo behananjirizibwe obteje mbero muzigo kwibebuzo ecyo kuretera amashomero gamwe hebyago byakwatwa ukaburo kon kwijaho bw'amashomero ga primary garkwetebekana okutandike buze byakamaririza hebero kutandika hebero bishatu hebyo kweze kwikumna kumwe enkumibiri abirnena.
In the hardness of these exams, I don't know, I don't want to use a very hard word, but it's surprise. It is a surprise. Oh, it surprises someone to see a head teacher or a teacher profession, as Diwa say, trying to go exams like this.
Don't engage yourselves in cheating of whichever kind. You'll get your learner's pass.
Ebi bigambira mukoro ho gukushoze birujuro muri PPLE abwa mashomera gari hansi ya Kereziya abwa district zibanda na kazo kandi gubeira hari banda kwa PTC.
Some schools will do better. There is no need of going to Nairobi to benchmark from there. Go to Valley 13. How did you come to get 13?
The stakeholders, whether the candidates, whether teachers, and you, the teachers. Let's not get tired. It is never over until it's over.
And the number of first grades increased. In pre-mock, we had 116 first grades. And now we have 142 first grades.
Ombishohozibwe amashomero nshaje na mnana kurgo muri Uganda hamwe na kazan go gashtamire buzu bya PPLE kandi ahabeji 2000 abeji iganana na bashatu nibo batunjire idara ryo kubanza gashakwa Evan Staremwa hamwe na Timothy Mushabe muri Uganda.